Hello again. This is June's update. And my Stella plant, ooh yeah, see she's putting on more growth on the top. I just keep turning her, as a matter of fact, while I'm here. Yeah, just give her a little turn. Yeah, we need to cut a little bit of this away. But all in all, I'm very impressed with how she's doing. And Herbert, I'm always impressed with Herbert. I keep bumping into him and stuff. But he seems to be extremely happy. Over here, this is interesting. It looks like my little Hermie's getting babies. Or flower buds. I'm not sure. I don't really know a lot about this plant. But I did notice this. And so I sprayed it with some peroxide, and we may take him out of here. But I'm just letting him be for now, because he's new. And my cactus. I noticed my cactus responded better. I had to take her off of here and put her on the floor. Look how tall. Oh, that's getting long. Woohoo! Anyway, I had to put her on the floor because I needed to clean this area. And she seemed happier. So she may need less light, and I may drop her to the floor in the future. And this one, oh, I just love this. It just reminds me of a baby hydrangea. But it's not. I just love it. And my palm seems to be doing well. It's recovering from what I did to it. I fried it with the heater. I'm starting to wonder if there's something wrong with my air conditioning and heating. It was really warm this winter. This one's doing well too. If I cut it back, it might have bloomed longer. But we're just going to see what it's going to do. I'm wondering if my light, you know that big light of mine? Yeah, it's right underneath my uptake. Well, that room is. So, I'm just curious if I shut the door if it'll help. Mark is rebounding, but you can see he's still having a problem. I keep treating him. And he stretched a little bit because he was on the floor over there. I put him back under this light that fills on. He seems to like that much better. And this one's still blooming. Still in the same family as this one. I'm sorry about the lighting. And this one, I got to cut the lighting to do these. Now this is the marquettes. I tossed one already. Not doing so well. This one is. But yeah. This problem I was having, I think, was that my dog was jealous of my plants. I caught him getting into my fairy garden. Yeah, he did. Oh well. He means more to me than the fairy garden does. So these are all the little succulent pieces. And I took the one that had rooted out and put it in my fairy garden. I gotta go find it and hope the dog didn't eat it. And this one here is the same as that other cactus. And it should be shooting up a tendril here soon. Now these, I've noticed the leaf, they don't always root for you. But if you always get a hold of one that has one of these bloom stalks on it, that's what I did. I just stuck it in here. So I'm just waiting, and this, I love this. It's just a weird kind of cactus, but I'm gonna root it. I've never been into succulents before. I've done some planting without you because if I did it, I would be doing this forever. So I did get these to root in the little clone thing. My problem is with the algae, it creates such a toxic atmosphere that it killed a bunch of my clones. So I tried to save these. This is a mixture of a couple different kinds. But my daughter-in-law gave me some, and I thought, well, let's just see if they can't all just get along. So that's what we did. Well, we need to plant. Is my daughter-in-law gave me this one. Now this might be a heart one. When you cut it open, it might be a heart, but it might have reverted back to its original. And this might be a cherry. But we have to plant this one. And we're going to try kale. I got this for my daughter-in-law as well. I'm sorry to my daughter-in-law because, well, I haven't taken care of it yet, and It looks bad. And I'm sorry, because I forgot they had security cameras. Yeah. And I took a cutting. Well, it's more than just a cutting, isn't it? Anyway, we're going to put that over here. Over here. And our hosta and my jalapenos bouncing back, but not very well. So we got to replant the jalapenos. Back over here, we got a purple. I know. What am I going to do? What am I going to do with it? I don't know. It's a purple bean, so that'll be interesting. So, purple green beans. But that is it. And yes, I just keep expanding. And oh my goodness, let me tell you. Oh yes, this is where I have the worst lighting and I can't kick the fans off. There's something wrong with my air conditioner and, well, my plants are suffering just a tad, so I'm keeping all the fans and stuff on. This is the pink princess that I separated. This won't count for me because this happened before I separated her. And she looks like she's taken a little bit rough, but still wet. I'm not going to mess with her. I just keep spraying them every day with my little hydrogen peroxide spray. And these are the little cuttings that were in there. I think I see a new leaf. Okay, that didn't happen because of me, but it shows me that it's still living. That's a good sign. This one here, oh, he's blooming. Oh, don't fall. See, I don't know what he's going to do, but he's got a little bloom on him. Can you see that? 2 blooms. So he just keeps getting new leaves, and I just keep saying, keep bringing it on, because I just love this plant. Oh, do I ever love this plant. See the new leaf? Aww. And my pink princess, oh, I love her. Yes, I do. I wish I had as much luck with people as I do with plants. Oh well. Anyway. See? Oh, no, I'm sorry, sweetie. But I'm waiting to see how she does, because I know that she suffered a little bit of trauma. Not too much, though. I think I was, I tried my best. So, we'll see. This leaf she was getting already. And if she gets another one, then I'll know that she's happy. And we haven't named this one. But that's my Thanksgiving cactus. Now, I did give a piece of this to my daughter-in-law, so she could root it. And where's Christopher? Is he still hanging in there? We never know, actually. Come here, you. How are we doing, sweetheart? Oh, yeah, look at that. New growth. New growth, that's always good. That's always good. So, yeah, I spray them every day with that hydrogen peroxide spray. Everything on this shelf, actually. And they just seem to be so very happy. So, here you go. Let's put him back to sleep. Yeah. Oh, no. Careful of the leaves. Remember I told you these? Yeah, they have a tendency to bleed. Alright. Let's come down here to our chilies. Oh, the fan is going to give me problems, I know. And I'm going to trip and fall. Okay. And then we'll see the monstera. I didn't trip and fall. Oh, because I'm talented. When it comes to small places, I become very talented. I'm very happy because look. Look. Come on, let's get a better shot. What does that look like? Ah, it's a new leaf. So that means this one's happy. I need to make a moss pole story for another day. Yeah, I need to get the greeting that you put around it. And this is my aloe vera. I took out the little fella. I'll show you the little fella finally, because it just keeps growing. It is so healthy. Sorry about the lighting in here. It's one or the other for me. And the parsley just took off like crazy. I'm really upset about the lighting, actually. Well, hopefully I can brighten it up, because here I put in strawberries. Yeah, I got them from my daughter-in-law. She just so happened to have extra. And I added some more mint. I'm not having good luck with mint. That's strange because it just grows like crazy. And look, my English ivy. Very happy. I know it's terrible lighting. There's not much I can do about that. This keeps coming in burnt. This is my canna. And we'll see if it'll bloom this year. I surely hope so, because I happen to like it. It's orange. And then my fire stick. I think we might be getting a new pup. I'm not sure. But the same hydrogen peroxide. They all got their CalMag the other day. And I'm jealous of you guys, because you guys get to see these things, well, in their glory. I show you them after I give them their CalMag. Now here we didn't have much luck with the potatoes. We have to try again. They're sprayed with some kind of retardant to keep them from blooming, keep them from growing, so you can't propagate. And then we have jalapeno. I hope you can hear me. So we're gonna try again with the jalapeno. And my calla lily. Aw, my dog peed on it. And then I have some chilies in here. And a hydrangea that I tried to root from my daughter-in-law's place. But like I said, my dog hasn't been craving this stuff. My dog's been jealous of my garden. I'll talk about that in a little bit. But let me show you my fairy garden. My dog got into it. Yes, he did. When you have animals, you have to realize that, you know, they don't understand. And my dog hears me talk so lovingly to this little garden. And, well, I had to make today Henry Day. Well, to make it up to him. So I've just dropped little things in here, but I just wanted to show you, no, it's not going to work out. It's not. I need to do something different. But I wanted my succulents to at least get going. And I think he might have eaten a few. Oh well, what am I to do? This is my little fella I've been trying to show you forever. I got him when I took my grandchildren to see Jurassic Park, the last one. And it just reminded me of a dinosaur plant. So, I like my little fairy garden. And I'm going to figure out something with the walls and stuff. But this is just where I'm going to start on my little succulents. Because see my little stones? I just love these little things. I don't know why. But come here, you. So many things are already starting to root. Yeah, they probably would like it if I leave them alone. But I'm very happy. Very, very happy. Oh, and I have a piece of that cactus in here. This stuff I just keep getting wet. And it just keeps growing. It's kind of strange. But all the same. That's my little fairy garden. Oh, yeah. You know, some of these I'm going to end up throwing out. I'm sorry about the noise, but, you know, that one will probably take off. But some of these I'm throwing out. And my daughter-in-law gave me some more green onions. But we're going to have to replant the green onions more. But I think they're done. Sorry about the fan. Anyway, the chives I just stuck here because, well, I forgot about them. I gotta do something with them. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them, to be honest with you. And woohoo! Wow, I wonder what happened there. Okay, so we got a good, really good growing of these tomatoes so far. But I'm not so sure about these radishes and carrots. Yeah, we might have to go deeper with our planting of the radishes, but I'm still letting them grow because I'll still do something with them. I happen to have lettuce. Sorry about the noise. And the carrots are starting to come up. And then my cilantro is starting to come up. I don't know how much the noise is going to mess us up. I'm actually trying to hurry at this point, which doesn't do me any good. So see these little seed pods? What I've been doing is dumping them back in the soil. So I didn't think that you wanted me to do a whole video on how to dump them back into the soil, but that's all I'm doing. So I can just keep growing them. And you know, that's about it for now, because my watermelon never came up. And we're gonna have to replant that. Some things I replant and I just don't say anything, because otherwise I'd be planting forever. But look, we got a tomato coming on, and yeah, we're doing really well actually, and staying away from the thrips. So that's my June update. You guys have a lovely day, and I will as well, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.